I'm Ajith Pillai, CEO of Nous Infosystems. Nous is a global IT solutions provider, and we primarily focus on helping our customers in their digital transformation journey with specific focus on analytics, cloud. And to do this, because of how today the development is changing, we are very focused on providing solutions in an agile model using DevOps frameworks. And because we are using DevOps in a very successful way in most of the projects, it also puts a lot of change in the way we are doing testing. So for the specific reasons, Nous has a separate division called Test Tree, which focuses only on testing. So Test Tree focus on building automation frameworks, specifically focus on automation because we are trying to help a lot of our customers transition from manual testing to automation. Especially in the changing world, we are trying to bring in continuous testing, and we are focusing on integrating this automated testing with the DevOps framework. So these are the areas where Nous focuses, and just for the benefit, Nous is a Greek word. It stands for intellect. It's also a British slang for common sense, because a lot of people ask what Nous means. What's happening in the industry today is because of the technology changes, there's a lot of disruptions happening. I mean, you have multiple examples like Uber and other things happening, which is changing the way people are doing business. And because of that change, you need to adapt business applications on a continuous manner, because it is no more one release per year or multiple releases per year, because the business is changing, the environment is changing. Because of the technology disruptions and the digital transformation that is happening in the industry, business applications has to adapt very fast. I mean, they have to change, they have to continuously change. And that's why a lot of customers and most of the customers have to adapt agile programming methods and also bring in DevOps into the whole system, right? Now, to do that, you have to implement DevOps, CI/CD frameworks, and have continuous testing on an ongoing basis. Now, the next challenge they face is, for this to happen, the business users and the technology teams has to work together. So they cannot work anymore in silos. They have to integrate with each other, they have to discuss with each other, and the technology team has to learn to make changes on a continuous basis. It's more like changing the engines while flying, right? Because you need to adapt so fast. I think that's a big cultural change for a customer, because they have to be bringing the right tools and technologies to make sure that it is easy to implement these changes on a continuous manner. And I think that's where Nous focuses heavily on building that quality element into the whole thing using automated testing and also continuous testing. And the reason why Nous is trying to work with Tricentis to bring their tools and technologies into our customer base, primarily because Tricentis, from whatever I've seen, is the best in the continuous testing platform area. And I think that's the reason why we have partnered with Tricentis, and we are trying to bring that into the whole ecosystem.